World number one ODI cricket team. It seems world number one. Where is the world number one, buddies? Where is the world number one? Their media is saying that revenge लेंगे, पंगा लेंगे, बदला लेंगे, वो लेंगे, ई लेंगे, ऊ लेंगे. संडे को इंडिया के साथ फाइनल खेलेंगे और रोहित को फिर कौन को विराट को पूरा निपटा के पूरा इंडिया को भगा देंगे. वही सपना देखते रहो. आपका सपना है कि इंडिया के साथ आप कंपीट करते हो, ठीक है, वही आपका सपना है. आज श्रीलंका ने आपका औकात दिखा दिया, पूरा आपका औकात दिखा दिया. और एंड इफ आई हैव टू मेक अ फिल्म, ओके, माय फर्स्ट फिल्म विल बी मेड ऑन घंटे का किंग बाबर आजम. स्कैम 2023 बाबर आजम, टाइटल बाबर आजम. How he became world number one batsman and how this team became world number one cricket team is beyond my understanding. Seriously, it's beyond my understanding how he has become world number one batsman. Seriously, today he missed his century by 71 runs and he missed his half century by 21 runs. It was a golden opportunity to play in the semi-final. It was almost like a semi-final today against Sri Lanka. It was a golden opportunity to play a match-winning innings and seal the victory for his side and take them to the finals, make their dream come fulfill their dreams. But he's Ghante ka king. He's not king only. He's Ghante ka king. Basically, he's the biggest fraud. Only Nepal ke saath khelega because he thought, because this is not Nepal, this is Sri Lanka. Okay, this is Sri Lanka. वो सिर्फ नेपाल के साथ खेल सकता है और वो सिर्फ मतलब अफगानिस्तान के साथ खेल सकता है और फिर उसके साथ मतलब जिम्बाब्वे के साथ खेल सकता है और उसके मतलब पाकिस्तान में बोलता है. वो विराट कोहली के साथ कंपेयर करता है. अरे मत करो यार, मत करो. शर्म करो, कुछ शर्म करो. कहां पर विराट कोहली और कहां पर बाबर आजम? कोई कंपैरिजन है ही नहीं. कुछ नहीं खेला. आज भी एक शानदार मौका था, ठीक है, गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी था, पूरा गवा दिया, निपटा दिया पूरा. और एक बात है कि रिजवान, शुक्रगुजार है कि रिजवान और चाचू ने थोड़ा लास्ट में खेला आपके लिए और आपके बेस्ट प्लेयर एक्चुअली चाचू है. तो ये घंटे का किंग को मत हाइप करो और घंटे का किंग को ओवररेट मत करो, ठीक है. वो कुछ लायक वायक है नहीं. उसका कैप्टेंसी भी देख लिया पूरा आउट ऑफ 42 ओवर्स 40 ओवर्स run chase has been dominated by Sri Lanka. Now big excuses will come. हाँ, हमारे पास हैरिस रॉफ नहीं था, हमारे पास वसीम जूनियर नहीं था, हमारे पास ई नहीं था, ऊ नहीं था. अरे भाई, श्रीलंका के पास कौन सा बड़ी तुर्रम खान का दादा का बेटा का राजा का लायक वाला बॉलर्स था भाई. उसका भी तो 4 बॉलर्स पूरा हॉस्पिटल में है. हसरंगा एब्सेंट है, फिर उसके पास वो लेफ्ट आर्मर सीमर है, वो भी एब्सेंट है, फिर चमीरा एब्सेंट है, उसके भी बॉलर्स तो हॉस्पिटल में है. तो कौन सा एक्सक्यूज मत दो, ठीक है. आप अगर वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 टीम हो तो प्ले लाइक वर्ल्ड नंबर 1. आप लोगों ने वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 जैसा नहीं खेला, तुम लोगों ने वर्ल्ड नंबर घंटे की तरह खेला, ठीक है. योर रैंकिंग शुड नॉट बी वर्ल्ड नंबर 1. योर रैंक शुड बी बेसिकली वर्ल्ड नंबर घंटा, वर्ल्ड नंबर 10. That should be your world rankings because it's the biggest scam. Scam 2023 is how Pakistan got world number 1 ranking. Seriously, it's a big question. Yes, bowling is really strong today. Shaheen Shah Afridi last means second means pre-ultimate over means penultimate over. He bowled superb, like 4 runs he has given and he has taken 2 wickets and he has brought them back to the match. Seriously, 8 of 6 means it was 12 of 12. So he has brought the match to 8 of 6. It brought the match back. Okay, bowlers are world class. Bowlers are definitely world class. But batting is pura third class. This was a 300. This was like a 270 wicket, 270 runs wicket. This one was. But Sri Lanka, seriously, they have improved a lot. Their main bowlers are absent. No excuses, nothing. They played like they have nothing to lose. From the ball go. That Pereira, the left-handed batsman, he was superb. Like first ball only that Shaheen Shah Afridi, he started attacking. Then their 2 illegally bowlers have come in to replace in Haris Rauf and Shaheen Shah. Who is that? Haris Rauf and Naseem. They have come to replace. They also got banged and hammered. That's it. Nisanka and all. It was unfortunate that left-handed batsman, he plays almost like Jayasuriya. Means he plays like, he reminds me of Jayasuriya. So that Jayasuriya, Junior Jayasuriya got run out. Unfortunately, or else that fellow only would have finished off the match there only. It looked like that. Means they had the intent from the ball go itself. They had the intention of scoring the runs from the ball go. Like that they played. Extraordinary chase, man. Extraordinary chase. And also Kushal Mendis was absolutely superb. Kushal Mendis and that one youngster was there who has scored runs against Bangladesh also. Who has scored runs against against Bangladesh also, that guy was absolutely superb. He was simply superb. He scored runs against Bangladesh. That also was a must-win match. Now he has scored runs against Pakistan also. That is called impact player. That is called impact player. He built a partnership. So Kushal Mendes is only better than Babar Azam. Crucial matches he's scoring runs. So he's only better. So what is the hype of this Babar Azam? And they're comparing him with King Kohli. Ghante ka King Babar Azam. Waste, complete waste. Flop, complete flop, that's it. His captaincy is also biggest flop. His captaincy also is biggest flop. Iftikhar was the pick of the bowlers. He didn't give 9 overs to that Chachu. He didn't give 9 overs to Chachu. He gave 9 overs to that Shadab. Simply has given. Iftikhar was a wicket-taking bowler, and that Asalanka basically was a left-hand batsman. Okay, he was left-hand batsman, and an off-spinner against left-handed batsman is always a danger sign. He didn't give. मतलब अकल के अंधे brain काम नहीं करता है, उसका brain काम नहीं करता है भाई. He's one of the most overrated and overhyped player ever in the history of world cricket. Most overhyped. That's it. Simple as. Waste, complete waste. So the Chachu was the pick of the bowlers. He didn't give 9 overs. He gave Shadab this thing. Shadab was a complete disaster. The way that Mendes and that fellow was playing means that Mendes and that another guy was playing him. Seriously, that partnership, they just took him to the cleaners. Only Chachu was troubling the batsman. Chachu's ball was gripping onto the surface and he was bowling in a disciplined line and length. Okay, and he was working hard and everything. His ball was working and he didn't give him 9 overs. So this is just shows that Babar Azam is a useless captain, faltu player. Batsman also, he did his duty as 0. And captaincy also, his ranking will be 0. That's it. I don't know who made him world number 1. His world number should be Ghanta. World number Ghanta player. That fellow. And anyways, Sri Lanka, you have to give a lot of credits to them. And a lot of credits to them. That Tishana, he was having a hamstring. Still he came on to bowl 3 more overs at the end of the innings. Of Pakistan innings, he came in and he bowled 3 overs with the hamstring injury. That is a commitment. And today also, that fellow, that batsman, he got hit on the helmet, and after that he got back and he still fought on for the team. Incredible incredible commitment. Due to their commitment and brave efforts only, God has gifted them that last edged 4. And it went to the boundaries that God only has gifted them. And fortune favors the brave. That's why the ball touched the edge of that Aprimoro player. It touched the pad, and he, after finishing the match, 2 runs was required of the final ball. He just did Aprimoro dance and won the match for Sri Lanka. Fortune favors the brave. And cowards like Babar Azam, useless player like Babar Azam, fraud players like Babar Azam should absolutely, after this Asia Cup exit, he should simply resign his captaincy. That he will not do. Basically, ego will not let them, and their Pakistani media, blind media, idiotic media, stupid media, third class flop media, means their work is only to talk. That's it. Talk over the top. That's it. That is only their job. India Pakistan होगा, वो होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा. अरे जाओ जाकर पाकिस्तान में खेलो. और बोल रहा था ना कि एशिया कप पाकिस्तान में होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. अपना तेवर दिखा रहे थे बीसीसीआई को, ये बोल रहे थे, वो बोल रहे थे. ठीक है, वो सब नहीं चलता है. ठीक है, वो सब नहीं चलता. जाओ जाकर पाकिस्तान में खेलो, क्योंकि बाकी सब वेन्यू में तो दम नहीं आपको खेलने के लिए. दम तो है ही नहीं कुछ. तो चलो जाओ पाकिस्तान में जाके एशिया कप मनाओ, वहां पर जश्न मनाओ. टीवी तोड़ो, घर तोड़ो, जो कुछ करो बस. मतलब Babar Azam is such a brainless captain that I don't have words. Means that fellow Chachu, he has broke the partnership. He has taken both the wickets of the settled batsman, that is that Kushal Mendes and that another batsman who got hit on the head, Helmet Man. He has taken both their wickets, Helmet Man's wicket and that Kushal Mendes wicket. He broke the partnership. Still that Babar Azam didn't give him 9 overs. They gave Shadab 9 overs. That is the biggest blunder. He doesn't have calculation among the team. He doesn't know his own players also. He doesn't have game awareness. Nothing he has. He neither has game awareness, neither he has a charisma, neither he has cool. Today he was looking nervous, and he all depend everything. He's surviving only because of fast bowlers. If Shaheen Shah Afridi, if the fast bowlers doesn't do the job for them, they cannot win the match. Today their job went for the cleaners. Means their bowlers went for the cleaners. Even against India, their bowlers went for the cleaners. Fast bowlers went for the cleaners. So Babar Azam couldn't win. Babar Azam's team, this team, Pakistan team, if their fast bowlers doesn't pick up wickets, they are a complete third class flop team. That's it. Simple as that. So they don't deserve to get a world number 1 ranking. Simple as that. Simple solution, simple commutations. That's it. Simple permutations. Simple as that. India के साथ मत compete करो, वो मत करो. ठीक है? Sri Lanka deserves. Sri Lanka played very well against us. Sri Lanka, seriously, that bowler, Nakamuka bowlers and that Apripodo bowlers, they bowled really well against us, and batting also, they fought really well. India versus Pakistan match and India versus Sri Lanka match, Sri Lanka were more competitive. So don't ever come and compete with India, and you don't compete with Virat Kohli, boss. Virat Kohli ने जब, and they say that, oh, Babar Azam is too young, Babar Azam बहुत young है जी, विराट कोहली इतना एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर है जी, तो आप मतलब बाबर आजम जब विराट कोहली के उम्र में हो जाएगा तब वो मनाएंगे। हाँ, अगर पाकिस्तान जिम्बाब्वे के साथ खेलेगा, नेपाल के साथ खेलेगा, अफगानिस्तान के साथ खेलेगा, माइनोस के साथ और भी नीचे केनिया के साथ खेलेगा, अगर खेलेगा तो रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेगा, नहीं तो अगर क्वालिटी साइड के साथ खेलेगा तो कुछ उखड़ घंटे कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा। टन 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 करके ऐसा एशिया कप से बाहर हो गया ना, फाइनल्स कुछ नहीं करेगा, कुछ नहीं होगा। ठीक है, उसके पास कोई गेम अवेयरनेस करिश्मा है नहीं भाई, उसका कोई लीडरशिप क्वालिटी है ही नहीं। इंडिया के साथ भी फेल हो गया, आज श्रीलंका के साथ भी फेल हो गया, और विराट कोहली के साथ मत कंपेयर करो। विराट कोहली जब 22 साल का था ना, 2012 में बांग्लादेश में मैच हो रहा था इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान, उसमें 183 रन बना दिया था। वही डिफाइन कर दिया कि कौन क्या है और किस प्लेयर का कितना दम है, वो पता लग गया उस मैच के बाद ही। ठीक है, 183 रन्स he has scored and he has played against not against third class bowlers, he has played against Wahab Riaz, who was one of the best reverse swing bowlers that time, and he has played against Umar Gul। तो आपका मतलब टपोरी निकाल दिया था और आपका चड्डी पूरा निकाल दिया। अभी तक बाबर आजम तो इंडिया के अगेंस्ट कुछ खेला भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं खेला, मतलब 100 तो एक रन भी नहीं बनाया। 28 साल का मतलब 28 साल का जवान हो गया या 28 साल का बुढ़ा हो गया, वो आप डिसाइड कर लो क्या है। तो अभी तक तो 28 साल हो गया, एक भी इनिंग्स नहीं खेला है, तो आप लोग कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हो भाई। Whatever it is, final conclusion is international cricket is 1,000 times better than IPL. Today's match was so good, so engaging overall. The cricket was so high quality. And it was an edge of the seat thriller. It was like an edge of the seat. We were in the edge of the seat. Full 100 overs, high quality cricket. It was high quality cricket. So there is no excuse. Yes, after the rain has come in, it was easy on to bat. Definitely. But there is absolutely no excuses. It was 100 overs dhamaka, that's it. Far better than that IPL nonsense, whatever it gives for that 2 months or something. So international cricket, if it is happening, definitely means international cricket more should happen like this. It is absolutely brilliant. This Asia Cup means after the rain and everything, since that India versus Pakistan match, all the matches have been absolutely superb. Full fighting spirit and full high level spirit it has been. Full 100 overs, full entertainment, high class, absolutely high class, top notch.